Hey guys, welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace oil in pit bikes. When you get the brand new pit bike, you should replace the oil straight away before you start the bike for the first time. And then every 3 to 5 months you should replace the oil. To replace oil in pit bikes, you will need the scanners, one number 14 and one number 17. You will need the empty can for old oil, a plastic funnel, and a 1 liter of 10W40 oil for motorbikes. So first you need to open the oil cap. It's located on the right hand side on the engine next to the kickstart. So just twist it to the left and remove it. Place the empty container under the engine. With spanner number 17, remove this board here. And let the oil drop into the container box. When the oil stops dropping, you can install the board back. Do not over tight. Here the second bolt here, it's the strainer. That's where all the derbish are collected from the oil. So if you replace oil after using a bike, you should remove this bolt as well and clean the strainer. In this bike, this is a brand new bike. So if it's brand new bike, you don't have to clean the strainer. Now top up the oil. As I said before, you should use 10W40 oil for motorbike, for 4-stroke engines. And you can put approx 850 milliliters of oil into the engine, and then we will check the oil level in the engine. So we have added approx 850 milliliters of oil. Clean the oil dipstick. Screw in place. Wait a second. Now screw out. And read how much oil we have. Here we have okay, it's between the maximum and the minimum, so we can leave it like this. If you needed to top up, then top up oil and make sure it's between the minimum and the maximum. So now screw in the cap and you are done. You can start the engine. So this is how we replace oil in pit bike's engine. It could be 70, 90, 110 or 125 cc or 140 cc. So all 4-stroke pit bike engines is the same procedure to replace oil. So thanks guys for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.